Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a beautiful 3-bedroom detached property. This is Witham from Countryside Properties. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Radcliffe Gardens Development, Manchester. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor we have a garage, lounge, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor we have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a family bathroom. So these are the front visuals of the house. If you look at it, the color combination of the paint and everything looks different from the rest of the properties which you have seen. The garage is coming here in the front. So as you enter the house, you'll find a hall in front of you with various partitions made towards the living room, kitchen, dining. So first, as usual, let's explore the living room. A bright and comfortable living room with very good space. You're getting 2 big windows, one at the front and the other towards the side. So plenty of natural light falling in the room. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofa sets and also a TV set. Still, you have really good room space to walk around. Here they have chose a simple interiors, but the color combinations are very attractive. If you remember, I have already toured 2 of the countryside properties. That is the Falls and Dunham. Do check them out, they are really beautiful. So this is all about the living room. Now let's check out other rooms of the property. So just as you come out of this living room, I wanted to show you all this temperature setting device given here. It looks really good. These days in almost all the new build properties, they are providing these kind of devices. So now exploring this beautiful kitchen with dining. I really love these kitchens from the countryside. They are experts in providing these skylight windows, which is simply amazing. You also have the garden access through these French doors given here, and there's a nice fenced garden which is coming behind. Now for a 3-bedroom property, you're getting a decent kitchen within the budget, which is a really good thing. If you observe the worktop over there, it's spread out towards nearly 2 sides, and in between you're getting a nice wider gas hob with the exhaust. There are plenty of cupboards, as I told you, both at the bottom and even on the top, and they gave the upgraded version of the granite, so you can go for the upgraded versions here. And towards this side you're getting your oven and also the integrated fridge freezer. This is all coming with the property. And in between I also like this sliding rail. You can plan some utensils or something inside here. Now just because they planned a very big dining table here in between, it occupied all the space. If you actually plan a small dining table towards the other end, in between you'll get a lot of space, and the kitchen with dining looks quite spacious. So there's a small utility coming along with this kitchen here. It's got a separate door. This is the space under the staircase. So here you can plan the washing machine and dryer if you want to. So before moving to the upstairs, let's check out the washroom here in the ground floor. So this washroom is coming right in the front towards the left side as you enter the house. It's a small washroom. You have the water closet, sink, and there's a nice window coming towards one side. I like the wallpaper design they gave here in this washroom. It looks very pretty. This is all about the ground floor. Now let's check out the rooms on the first floor. On the first floors, you'll be getting 3 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So first, let's check out the master bedroom. So this is the spacious master bedroom. It's a double bedroom. As you can see, a nice king size bed can fit in, and you have really good room space to walk around. Towards one side, you're getting nice wide windows with plenty of natural light falling inside. They gave a very lengthy radiator at the bottom. First time I'm seeing such a lengthy one. I also like the interiors done in this room. They look so pretty, the color combination and everything. Now towards the opposite side, you're getting the wardrobe space. The height of the room is really good, so you'll be getting a nice lengthy wardrobe here. But then the wardrobes are not going inside the wall. It's occupying this extra space outside. So just in the front of the room, before entering, you'll be getting this attached bathroom. That is the ensuite. So you have the walk-in shower, this water closet, sink, and you're also getting a nice window towards one side. And the space also inside this bathroom is quite okay. So this is all about the master bedroom of the house. Now let's check out other rooms of the property. So just opposite to this master bedroom, you have the second bedroom. And this is again a double bedroom. But instead of arranging a cot and all, they planned it as a study. You're getting windows on both the sides in this room, so plenty of light falling in the room. At the same time, you have nice visuals from this room. Now if it's a small family, you don't have to plan a cot in every bedroom. You can use one of the rooms as a study, a workspace, or anything you want to. Overall, a decent second bedroom. Now let's check out the third bedroom of the house. So just beside the second bedroom, you're getting the third bedroom. Now the size of this bedroom is comparatively smaller than that of the master bedroom and also the second bedroom. But still, as you can see, the double cot fits in and you can walk around. Towards one side, you're getting these windows, so plenty of light falling in the room. And towards the opposite side, they actually planned the wardrobes here. Towards the front end, you're getting some extra space here, so if you leave it open, you can walk around. And towards the other side, they actually planned a wardrobe. But again, this wardrobe is not going inside the wall. It's taking up extra room space. So this was all about the third bedroom of the house. Now beside the third bedroom, you're getting the family bathroom. So here in this bathroom, you have the tub, sink, and also the water closet. As you can see, there's a nice window coming towards the front end. Now towards the tub, they tiled up that entire wall. I really like this space provided in here inside the wall to arrange your toiletries. It looks very pretty. They arranged it with the tiles inside. Overall, a decent bathroom. The space is quite okay. Now just beside this bathroom, you're getting another small room with door and lock, and inside here you have the storage space. They're actually providing these racks inside. You can plan some nice storage. I like the window coming up here in the middle because plenty of light falls on the staircase. It won't be dark. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property for good price. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.